Welcome to this channel and hope you all are doing well. Okay, today we will learn the principle of accounting. Okay, it's a very old subject but very important subject to all of you. We are going to learn the principle of accounting. Means in what basis a account is being debited and another account is being credited. Okay, so today's session we will learn the accounting principle. Okay, let's start. All of us, you need to know that there are three account. Okay, first one is real account. Okay, second one is nominal account, and last one is personal account. All the debit credit related entry is being dealt by here. Okay, the principle from these three account. Okay, let's explain all these account. Real account. What is the rule of real account? Real account is that account whatever comes in your business will be debited and whatever goes out from your business will be credited. Okay, yeah, I will explain this rule with example in tomorrow's session. Okay, today we will learn only the principle of accountancy. Okay. Okay, so the first account is real account. Real account, what the rule of real account? Whatever comes in your business, whatever comes in your business, that would be debit, and whatever goes out from your current business will be credit. Okay, fine. Second one is nominal account. What nominal accounts rule says? Nominal account rule says that all expenses and losses will be debited. Okay, all expenses and losses will be debited and all income and profits will be credited. A simple rule is here for nominal account. All expenses and losses will be debited in this rule, and all the income and profits will be credited as per nominal account. Okay, and the last one is personal account. What personal accounts rule says? Personal account, debit the receiver. Simple, debit the receiver and credit the sorry credit the giver. Means who is receiving, please debit his account in your book, and who is giving in a means in an example, please credit the account of that person. Okay, these are the simple rules. In that basis, all the account is being debited and is being credited. Okay, first one is real account, second one is nominal account, and third one is personal account. On tomorrow's session, I will better explain with you all with examples. Okay. Okay, hope you will learn from today's session. If you like my video, then please subscribe me and comment and share also. Okay.